Y'all, I just realized that you can remove this elastic band part off. This is like a convertible wig. I just removed the elastic band part off the back. And now it's giving lace wig. Look at that. Is this not giving lace wig? Actually, no, it's not giving lace wig because it's giving my hair. That's what it's giving right now. All right, I'm about to try it on without the elastic band part. That's so cool. Hey y'all, so if you are like me, you reach for your headband wig more than any other wig in your collection. I have tons and tons of lace front wigs, of course, but I find myself reaching for my headband wigs more than any other wig when I am like out and about, if I'm going to the gym, if I'm going to the grocery store, if I am going to church, wherever I'm going, I have on a headband wig because honestly, nobody got time for the glue. Nobody got time for damage to our edges. Nobody got time to be doing all that stuff to lace fronts. Myfirstwig came out with a brand new headband wig cap construction. What makes this wig cap super special is the fact that it can be fully customizable to your head size. So if you have a larger head like myself or a very small pea-size head, which a lot of us have, you can fully customize this to be the perfect fit for you. If you remember in the past, the older headband wigs came with like a Velcro attachment in the back, and a lot of people complained about that. I know I had issues with it because the Velcro was super uncomfortable, especially if you were wearing the headband wig for an extended period of time. It would kind of scratch the back of your neck because of how it was made. It will also pull some of your back hairs out as well because of the friction. The cap construction is super special because there are several different ways that you can adjust this wig cap. It does come with 4 combs and your OG adjustable straps in the back, but what makes this headband wig super unique is the fact that it does have your typical headband in the front, but the very back of it now has an adjustable elastic band. Not only is this thinner and more comfortable than the original headband wig design, but it is adjustable. So if for whatever reason you are out and your headband wig is feeling like it's about to fall off, or it's too big, or it may be even too tight, you could just put your hand underneath the wig and fully adjust it for your comfort. Not only does it have this adjustable elastic band, but it does come with this brand new drawstring as well, so you fully get the whole experience of having a fully customizable fit for your wig. The cap is stretchable and breathable. And of course, with the breathable cap, you are able to reach in to the wig and scratch your scalp. It feels like you're not wearing anything because you do feel air reaching your scalp. So the first thing that I did when I received this wig is, of course, take it out of the package and just admire how gorgeous these curls are. This is in the hair texture pop-in curls, and I can honestly say that all of the curly wigs that I've ever received from Myfirstwig have been my favorite curly wig. Literally, they get the curls right every single time, and this wig is no different. I knew that I wanted to customize this in some type of way for me, so I went ahead and I added some baby hairs in the back. So I'm basically just going to cut some shorter hairs in the back, spray it with water, use a curling gel, and then use perm rods to curl those baby hairs up. And because my nape in the back is lower, when I do wear headband wigs up in a ponytail, you can see my nape a lot of times, and my texture ain't popping curls. Popping curls and my texture in the back just ain't a mix. So I wanted it to look more natural. That is the reason why I decided to do baby hairs on it. And then of course it would just take it up 20 notches and make it look so realistic with the baby hairs back there. So especially if I wanted to do like a high ponytail or a bun, or even a low ponytail and a bun, this just takes it and makes it look like your hair, y'all. Because there's no lace. Like, no one's clocking you. That's your hair. I know it's mine. Headband wigs was that girl during COVID. Do y'all remember that? Do y'all remember everybody, their grandmother, their auntie, their cousin, everybody had a headband wig during COVID, y'all. Nobody had time to be doing their hair. I had about 12 of them that I would just put on rotation. Like, I lived in my headband wigs for sure. don't know how this is going to fit me, and that's the reason why I'm just going to loosen this up, the drawstring up, because my head is big, y'all. My head big. All right, so now I'm just going to loosen this up too, just so that I can see how this is fitting. Y'all, this just fit perfectly on my head. Like perfectly enough that I didn't have to force it forward. So that means that this is truly indeed a great option for people with larger sized heads. All right, for my big head girlies, or my girlies that got locks like myself, or my girlies who just don't feel like doing their hair underneath their wigs, this is the option for you. This is the perfect solution for your everyday look. Before I even get started with styling, I just want to make sure that it fits, right? So I'm going to show you guys best way I can on camera. Hopefully you can see it. We have two things to adjust. So the first thing that I'm going to adjust is the drawstring. Just making it as tight as I need it to be. This feels pretty good so far, pretty secure. So now I'm just going to tuck the drawstring underneath and then secure that comb in the back again. So now I'm just going to adjust this elastic band. It feels perfect. Like it's the perfect fit. Doesn't feel like it's going anywhere. One of my other favorite things about wearing headband wigs is the fact that the styling process is so easy. You can literally just put it on your head and style it in 2 seconds and just run out the door. I'm just going to act like it's a middle part. I just love the convenience of wearing headband wigs. It's so convenient. And literally the most beginner-friendly wig that you could ever have. It's perfect just to have by your bedside. If someone FaceTimes you really fast, your doorbell rings, the maintenance people at the door, whatever, whenever, wherever, headband wigs are your solution for sure. The second look, of course, if you don't like middle parts and you prefer a side part, you can also do like a faux flip over, which is beautiful as well. Y'all, is this not perfect? It's like so cute. You can do like a low ponytail with it. But this would be the third look, just a super quick and easy ponytail with curly baby hairs back here that matches the rest of the popping curls on my head. You running in the morning real cute, you running past your crush's house. Can't y'all just see the vision? Cute for the gym for sure. Cute for work for sure. Cute for school too. For my school girlies. Do a ponytail first because this is cute, like a pineapple. Girl, look how cute this is. Like, this is such a pretty curl pattern. I think any hairstyle would look nice with this wig. Nape Baby Ears made this wig chef's kiss. It's perfect. And here's the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them down below in the comment section. I'll have all of the information, the promo codes, and the direct link to this wig from Myfirstwig in the description box, so check down below for more information, and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Don't forget to let me know your thoughts about this wig, the new cap construction, the curls, the baby hairs in the back, the overall wig. Let's chat everything this hair in the comment section. And also let me know which hairstyle was your favorite. And if you had this wig or will be getting this wig, which hairstyle would you be wearing the most? Let me know in the comments. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Beige and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye guys. All right, I'm about to try it on without the elastic band part. That's so cool. Okay, so I'm putting this wig back on. Y'all, this is easier than I even thought it was initially. This is so great because I don't have to even worry about that elastic band in the back if I don't want to wear it. This is so great. And all I have to do with this is just tuck it, put it behind my ear, and tuck it under. Put it behind my ear and then tuck it under. Milo, do you want to say hi? Come here. Milo's trying to say hi to y'all. Everybody say hi to Milo. He is just trying to get in the camera. He's just trying to take over. Milo, say hi to everybody. Yes, I love it. This is giving definitely lace front, not headband wig. Super, super comfortable. Love the fact that you do not need to wear this, but you can have it on if you need extra security, but it ain't moving. Y'all, I think this is as natural as it gets, and the upgrades that they made to this headband wig just made it even better. Let me know your thoughts in the comments.
It's beige, oh, yeah, that's right. It's beige, oh,